Hey there, Fluent Talkers! Welcome back to English Think Tips and Tricks, your go-to series for mastering the art of thinking in English. This is episode 3, and today, we're tackling a common challenge, handling moments when you feel stuck in English. We've all been there, right? Let's figure out how to push through those tricky moments together. So what does it mean to feel stuck in English? Maybe you're in the middle of a conversation and suddenly your mind goes blank, or you're trying to write something, but the right words just won't come. Frustrating, isn't it? But don't worry. This happens to everyone, even advanced learners. The key is knowing how to handle it without losing confidence. One of the best things you can do is pause and breathe. Seriously, just take a second, inhale, and relax. Sometimes panicking makes it harder to think. Instead of stressing, give yourself a moment to gather your thoughts. Next, try rephrasing. If you can't remember a word, don't freeze. Think of a simpler way to say it. For example, if you forget the word umbrella, just say the thing that protects you from the rain. See, problem solved. Native speakers do this all the time. It's a natural part of communication. Another great trick? Use fillers! In real conversations, people don't speak perfectly all the time. They use words like, to buy time. So if you need a second to think, just say, let me think for a moment. This keeps the conversation going while giving your brain time to catch up. Oh, and here's a big one. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're stuck on a word or phrase, just say, how do you say? Or I'm not sure if this is the right word, but most people will be happy to help. And this actually improves your learning process. Trust me on this one. And let's talk about mindset. Feeling stuck doesn't mean you're bad at English. It just means you're learning. Every time you push through a tough moment, you're getting better. So instead of feeling frustrated, see it as a chance to grow. All right, Fluent Talkers. Here's your challenge for today. The next time you feel stuck, don't switch back to your native language. Try rephrasing, using fillers, or just staying calm and breathing through it. You got this! And that's a wrap for today's episode. Keep practicing, keep pushing through those tricky moments, and remember, every challenge makes you stronger. Don't forget to follow Fluent Talks for more daily episodes. Oh, and before you go, next time, we'll be talking about how to describe things in English when you don't know the exact word. It's a super useful skill, so don't miss it. See you in the next episode. Happy learning.